How to save Instagram photos and videos to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can save Instagram photos and videos to gallery, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to save Instagram photos and videos to gallery, all you have to do is simply open the Instagram application here. Once you launch your Instagram app, you will see this type of interface. Now let's say that there is a certain photo that maybe you like and then you would like to download. You would normally tap the 3 dots option, but here you can see we don't have the download option. So the best way to save a certain photo to your gallery is by simply taking up a screenshot of that photo. Once you take a screenshot, you can just crop that photo like this, and when you crop it, you can just crop it to the desired section and then just hit this little button here, which will automatically give you a list of suggestions that you might want to crop to. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once done, just hit the arrow button here and then your photo will get successfully downloaded. Now you might be asking, as for video, what do you do? Well, as for video, you just take a screen recording. So if there's a certain video over here, you want to simply go ahead and maybe download that, then in that case you can just go ahead and then take a screen recording instead right over there. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically save Instagram photos and videos to gallery. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.